1, 2, 3, 4.
So these last few weeks, there are three very interesting things that I'd like to tell you about. First is we have an issue with smaller children not being able to sit on the chairs effectively, and every time they pull the lever, the chair shoots up and they haven't the weight to actually kind of keep the chair from doing so. So our DT department has developed, using 3D scanner, we've developed a bespoke kind of 3D printed device that stops this from happening. It's a little bit tricky because the chair itself has a particular gradient to it, and any device that we were going to print needed to fit that gradient in order to be able to stick to it. And so we scanned the base of the chair, the whole base of the chair in, and then made the device to fit the gradient of the chair. And I think it's a great example of 3D scanning and printing and 3D design all working together. The next example is a group of students that I've been working with to try and code games, program games in Unity, specifically for VR. And so on a Tuesday after school, we've been playing around with Unity and trying to program some stuff with varying success. You can see here we managed to get the things to appear in the game, but we haven't managed yet to make a functioning game. So that's something that probably over the next 3 or 4 months we'll be trying to do.
Hi, I'm Craig Caton for the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to Animation for Animatronics Part 1. In this course, I'm going to show you how to take animation from the computer using Autodesk Maya and transfer it to an animatronic head.
The final thing this month is we had a guy called Craig Caton come in to our school and talk to our coding classes and also our media classes. And Craig has worked on some major movies over the years with animatronics and also more recently with computer graphics. And so he was doing, as you can see here, the student was wearing a body tracking suit, and they managed to track his movement and then put him in a game using Unity and also something called Maya, Autodesk Maya. So again, that's something we're looking to develop over the coming months.
You can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity, running through me.